Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Ke Rotary Club of Orchid City Shillong hakashteri gubnai naitung arajar arpoar kalawan hiar samairang banwan Thung ye kisis pa atli ki Tynrai Dieng Sohplum ha Sawdong ke office terekam u Deputy Commissioner ke East and West Khasi Hills District bal hasilin ter ke surok ban lech ki Jakasa jong ki Nongtrei ke ni ke office ke jing Thung ya ki ni ki Dieng Sohplum kalong ru kum shibenta man penek pensa ye ke mai mariang bat ke Thung kalong ba ki ni ki Dieng kim dei ban syukut tang ha Thung klaim kinong sumar Tynrai ka office DC kan sumar ye kini ki Dieng ki ban long haga jo ka por ka jing mento ye kini ka office
shake hand also. That time I was thinking that you must be ready, but I said team member. So if we plant a tree, it is for at least 20-30 years and it is going to support the livelihood of the people living in this region. So this noble cause, for this noble cause, I appreciate our DC, and we picked up this district because we know that it is very new, and as the district grows, the plant also grows, and once it fruits, it means the district also has also starting giving fruits to the people and the expectations of the people. So with this, I would also like to thank Ba Beda, Vedarius Shila, and Rotarian Vivek to have been there with us, along with other members of the newly constituted district. And we expect that these trees will be taken care of to a level that they fruit. So with these expectations, without taking much time, I would like to thank all of us, those who are present here and will be doing the planting of these plum trees.
First of all, I must appreciate Rotary Club Orchid City Shillong for taking the initiative to carry out this tree plantation as part of the program under Ariali. It's a blessing for our district. We are very thankful. Once the trees are planted, I also undertake that I'll take care of them. Trees, as long as I'm still here, I'll do the fencing around the trees wherever they are planted. And I have my helpers to weed it out and to take care as and when it is endangered in any manner, as long as I'm here. So in that way, I think there will be no disruption. They will survive. We hope they will bear fruits. I hope these are plum trees, and this area is suitable, conducive for plum trees, fruits. So in that way, we have selected the right place, I believe. So thank you very much for that. And we can only say, let the trees bloom when they are planted.
Right. Good. Thank you.
Thank you.